Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create a custom story on Snapchat. So that will allow you to similarly make like a private story, but it'll only be private for the little group of people you have. And instead of being like a private story where only you could post on that story, everyone that you include on this custom story can post on it. So it's kind of just like a group kind of story that's still private kind of thing. So if you're interested in making one of those, just follow along here. It's really easy to do. So we're just going to go on to the Snapchat application and open that up. And then all we're going to do is we're going to go to your profile. And then once you're on your profile page here, just beside the word stories, you see it says new story. We can click on that little plus option. And then it gives us an option to make a private story or a custom story. So we want to click on custom story. And that's just going to ask us to add in whoever we want to add to the custom story. So I'll just click on account right there and click on create story. And then you could name it here, just put custom or whatever else you would like to name it and click done. And then as you see that we now have a custom story on this account. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.